Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a WFB 312104. Now, it's the inner belt line for the rear doors of the crew cab Dodge pickups. It fits 2004 to 2008. For this project, the tools you need are, let's get started. First thing you need to do is just remove this Phillips head screw right here. So just lift up on the handle, give you a little more access. By removing this will allow us to move the door panel up about ½ inch. There are no other clips on this one, and when we move it up, it'll give us access to this. So we're going to go ahead like that. That's all you need. Keep this up and make sure that everything stays on. Now we're off the belt line. Now we're just going to pull up on it. And now we can go ahead and install the new one. So the metal flange on the door goes right in here, and then door panel slips over here and goes into this groove, and this part is pressed against the glass. Now for the install. And go ahead, slide it onto the flange, and then butt it up against the glass around right there. Now we're going to make sure that we push it all the way down on the flange so it bottoms out. Now we're going to go ahead and lift the door panel up a little bit to get it over the hump. And then we're going to push in on it too. Last step is to reinsert the screw here, so move the handle. And you're done.